Long before the sun dares to break the horizon, the Yukon belongs to the cold, and to them. In these unforgiving, silent woods, survival is not merely about the morning hunt. It is a race against the failing light. By dusk, this fragmented pack must reunite on the high ridge or face the night alone. Let us walk with them into the shadows. Long before the sun dares to breach the horizon, the Yukon Territory lies wrapped in an impenetrable, freezing darkness. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. And the environment is gripped by paralyzing sub-zero temperatures. Here, within the dense, snow-covered boreal forest, and across the sweeping frozen plains of permafrost, silence is not merely an absence of sound, it is a physical, suffocating weight. Above the frozen earth, life requires a more active defense. In the high branches of the frosted pines, beneath the dense coniferous canopy, a great horned owl swivels its head. Among the towering timber, a massive bull moose stands like an ancient monument. Its breath falls in heavy, rhythmic clouds. A warm engine of life sustained by foraging on frozen willow branches. Nearby, perfectly camouflaged against the stark white snowbanks, a snowshoe hare twitches its nose, its large ears swiveling. Survival here means remaining unseen. But there are masters of this domain who fear nothing in the shadows. The gray wolf pack, the apex predator of the northern woods, begins to stir. By 7:45, the muted blue of dawn surrenders to a bright, overcast morning sky. The soft, diffused daylight offers no true warmth, but it brings a vital shift to the taiga biome. Against this desolate beauty, flashes of life emerge. A vibrant pine grosbeak flutters among the dormant branches, its brilliant red plumage a striking anomaly against the muted earth tones. Down below, a brilliant red fox steps gingerly across a patch of hard-packed river ice, listening for rodents trapped beneath the crust. The air belongs to the scavengers and the sentinels. A gray jay swoops down to snatch discarded morsels, while high above, a majestic bald eagle perches on a colossal dead snag, its sharp eyes scanning the slick blue ice. They track the vast herds that sustain this ecosystem. In the deep distance, monolithic forms of migrating caribou drift slowly across the horizon. As the day progresses toward 11:30, the flat, natural midday light casts no harsh shadows. High in the fork of a massive pine tree, a large porcupine wedges itself securely against the trunk, remaining absolutely motionless. A massive grizzly bear lumbers along the forest edge, seeking out deeply buried roots before returning to its slumber. Down in the valley, the gray wolf pack curls tightly together. They form a seamless, breathing circle of thick gray fur, relying on communal thermal regulation to insulate against the lethal drop in temperature. As a light snow begins to fall, they dream in the deep freeze, saving every ounce of strength. By 2:30 in the afternoon, the diffused daylight begins to fade. A cold breeze sweeps through the forest canopy, signaling a shift in the biological rhythm. stealthy Canada lynx, one of the most specialized crepuscular hunters, creeps forward on enormous, heavily furred paws. The gray wolf pack stands up in unison, fanning out across the plains in a tactical flanking maneuver. They are flanked by opportunistic followers. A black raven glides smoothly on the wind currents just above the pack. As evening descends, the sky bruises into dusty, muted orange and deep, freezing blue hues. Deep within the dark hollow of a dead tree, a boreal owl awakens, launching silently into the void. The wolves, now rendered as imposing dark silhouettes, navigate a steep, treacherous incline. The alpha leads the ascent, pulling its massive frame upward to a commanding ridge. They stand shoulder to shoulder, motionless as statues, leaning into the howling, freezing wind. Down in the valley, the massive caribou herd nervously shifts its formation. Lifting its powerful head to the darkening sky, the alpha lets out a terrifyingly loud, bone-chilling call. This territorial howling vibrates through the twilight, an ancient declaration of intent that echoes across the entire valley. In a sudden, explosive rush of coordinated power, the entire pack surges forward into the unbroken Yukon winter darkness. To witness more untold stories of survival in the wild, subscribe and join our journey into nature's most extreme domains. As the alpha's call unites them in the dark, their territory is secure for tonight. But just across this mountain pass, the ice is beginning to shatter. A completely different battle for survival is waking up in the Grizzly Valley. Witness the spring thaw right here